Hello, colleagues. Today we will analyze two cases of correct and incorrect import of goods into Google Merchant. Google Merchant is a toolkit with which it is recommended to start the promotion of any online store with a real physical product. The easiest way to do this is through Google Spreadsheets. You can fill it in based on any Excel price list of your supplier, simply by copying the product data. It should be understood that not all products can be added to the service. Before importing goods, be sure to fill in information about your company and confirm that you are the owner of the online store that you are promoting. An example of synchronizing products from Google Spreadsheets is made based on the products of an online store based on the Shopify platform, which we uploaded through our website. It is unlikely that you will have much difficulty filling out the information on the instructions. The essence of unloading goods through is that you must fill in the required fields for all goods according to a certain template. You do not have the opportunity to add an upload of your Excel file with goods without first formatting it in the format required for a Google Merchant. After uploading the goods, you will receive detailed information on the correctness of your document with goods. If you are having trouble understanding any error you are receiving, please add the error text in the video comments. What if your situation is more complicated and you need to download products that you do not have Google Spreadsheets? For example, does the supplier provide information in XML format? To do this, you need to leave information about your platform in the comments to this video, subscribe to the channel and like this video.